What's up friends, Amar here, and in this video I'm going to be presenting the 60-second list builder package, which has 12 done for you high converting landing pages with private label rights. I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what you will be getting when you grab this package from the link below this video. So let's go ahead and check page number 1. This is the page number 1 that you can use to build your email list around the niches of make money online, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, list building. You can use this pages here. You can of course tweak the titles, tweak the subtitles, tweak any thing you want on the page and customize it to do the work for your current business or for new business that you will be starting. So this is the page number 2, why most side hustles fail and what actually works. Discover the one sneaky income method, etc., etc. You can see that this is curiosity based landing pages that has high conversion rate. So let's take a look at the number 3. This is a copy and paste system, earn daily commissions. This is page number 4, the secret page top affiliates don't want you to see. Number 5, number 6. You can see the design is very attractive and high converting as well. Number 7, this little funnel turned 19 clicks into 8 subscribers. Number 8. Number 9, 5-minute page that sucks in subscribers on autopilot. Number 10. Number 11, and again, if you want to grab a copy of these pages, all you have to do is click the link below this video and you will have the share codes to import them instantly in LeadsLeap, start customizing them and use them to build your email list. And this is the number 12, the last one. This free tool builds your list while you sleep. All you do is activate it and let the system do the work. So this is the number 12. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you on the next video.